So you want to know how to keep your New Year's resolutions. You've come to the right place. Okay, how to keep New Year's resolutions. The first thing is to be bold. Decide what is the New Year's resolution you want to keep. Is it passionate enough? Is it exciting enough? Does it get you out of bed? Does it make you want to think about the future and what that future may hold for you? That's going to be so different, so revolutionary. So what do you resolve? That's the first thing. And when you discover it, what is that one thing you want to change? Then be very clear with how you describe it. You want to resolve how to wake up early. Okay, easy. See, decide, okay, on 5 days a week, I'm going to start waking up at a particular time. And if I could wake up before 9 o'clock, I'm doing great. But let's say I want to wake up at 7. And so I choose, I'm going to be waking up at 7, which means that I'm really going to have to go to bed before 11. That's going to be hard to do for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is resolve to go to bed at 11, wake up at 7. I'll set the alarm clock for 7. So that means that at 7, the alarm clock goes off. Do I hit the snooze button? No, can't hit the snooze button. You gotta wake up. So that's important. You start setting parameters on what does it mean. Okay, so if I need to go to bed by 11, does that mean I'm in bed or going to bed? Because I could be going to bed for hours. So one of the things is I'm saying I have to be feet off the floor at 11 p.m. Okay, so sometimes what that'll mean is I am diving into bed as I'm looking at the alarm clock and saying, 10:59, made it. 11, too late. So set up that game. It becomes a game. And so we decide, now we're very clear on what we want. We're passionate about going to bed early, waking up early, because what that means is our whole day will be right. We're very clear about it. Now let's write it down. So we take it and we take it out of our head, put it on paper, because there's magic in writing your goals. So we want to put it in writing, and again, make it very clear. The next step is to declare it. You've got to declare it. And declare it means that you either put it in, one of my clients used to take her goals, put them in her purse, stick them away, and then she would know to check on it. And magically, she would always get what she ever put down on that piece of paper. Some of us are not so fortunate to have that kind of magic. So we use the magic of other people, and we tell them that here's what our goal is. Here's what we resolve. And what happens then is that they hold us accountable and they encourage us. And so you want to tell the right people who are going to be encouraging and hold you accountable in a nice, kind, but firm way. So find the right person. If you can't find the right person, then go hire, let's say, a coach. Just saying. And then, and so you find the right person, and you tell them, this is my goal. Please hold me accountable for it, and encourage me. And here's how that encouragement and accountability might look. And so then the final step is to monitor it, to make sure that you're doing it. Track it on a weekly basis. If it's getting out of bed, you might track it on a daily basis and say, did I do it? Yes, I did it. No, I didn't do it. Benjamin Franklin said, don't beat yourself up. If you don't do it every day, that's okay. You're just monitoring, you're just checking on it. And what'll happen is you'll find over time, you'll start accomplishing your goals. This is the way to make resolutions and then to keep them. 2020 is going to be a fabulous year, so make your resolutions and resolve to have a great 2020, and let me know what those resolutions are. In any event, I'll see you in 2020.